Miracle Leaf Ritual for Love Favor. Miracle leaf is known in many cultures as a powerful plant for attracting love, favor, and positive attention. Many people believe that this simple leaf carries a natural spiritual energy that can help open doors in relationships, bring kindness from others, and increase the level of love that surrounds your life. Today, I will show you a simple miracle leaf ritual that people use when they want to attract love, favor, and positive connections. First, let us talk about why miracle leaf is special. Miracle leaf is often seen as a symbol of healing, renewal, and attraction. Because the leaf grows easily and survives in many conditions, it represents strength and the ability to attract blessings even during difficult times. Many spiritual practitioners believe that when this leaf is used with intention, it can help draw loving energy toward a person. This ritual is simple and can be done at home. The most important thing is that you do it with a calm mind and a clear intention. Now let us begin with the items you will need. You will need 7 fresh miracle leaves. Make sure the leaves are clean and fresh. Fresh leaves are believed to carry stronger natural energy. You will also need a small bowl of clean water. The water represents purification and helps remove negative energy around you. Another thing you will need is a white bowl or white container. White is often used because it symbolizes purity, peace, and positive energy. Finally, you will need a small piece of natural soap. Any simple soap can work. Now let us go into the preparation. Take the 7 miracle leaves and rinse them gently with the clean water. As you wash the leaves, take a moment to calm your mind. Think about the kind of love and favor you want in your life. It could be love in a relationship, kindness from people, or simply attracting people who respect and appreciate you. After washing the leaves, place them in a clean bowl. Use your hands to gently crush the leaves. As you crush them, the natural juice from the leaves will begin to come out. This juice is what will be used for the ritual. While crushing the leaves, speak positive words softly. You can say something simple like, "May love surround my life. May favor locate me wherever I go." Speaking positive words during the preparation helps focus your intention. Once the leaves are fully crushed and the juice is visible, take your piece of soap and place it inside the bowl with the crushed leaves. Mix the soap with the leaf juice until the soap absorbs the green liquid from the leaves. Now place the soap inside your white container. Leave the soap in that container for 3 days. During these 3 days, try to keep your thoughts positive. Avoid arguments, negative thinking, or speaking badly about others. Many people believe that these 3 days allow the energy of the miracle leaf to blend with the soap. After the 3 days are complete, the soap is ready to be used. The way you use it is very simple. Early in the morning, take your bath with the soap. As you bathe, gently rub the soap over your body. While bathing, focus your mind on love, favor, and positive energy entering your life. You can repeat a simple affirmation such as, "I attract love, I attract favor. Positive people come into my life." Do not rush the bath. Take your time and allow yourself to feel calm and confident. Many people like to do this bath for 3 consecutive mornings. During those days, it is important to maintain a peaceful attitude and avoid unnecessary conflicts. Another helpful step is gratitude. After your bath, take a moment to be thankful for the love and favor that is already coming your way. Gratitude is believed to strengthen positive energy. Now let us talk about something very important. Rituals like this are often used as a way to focus the mind and encourage positive thinking. When you believe in positive outcomes and treat others with kindness, you naturally attract better relationships and opportunities. The miracle leaf ritual works best when it is combined with good behavior, respect for others, and a positive mindset. Remember that love and favor are not only about rituals. They also come from the way you treat people, the kindness you show, and the energy you bring into every situation. When you combine positive actions with spiritual practices, many people find that their lives begin to change in surprising ways. Some people report that, after doing this ritual, they feel more confident, more peaceful, and more open to receiving love. Others say they begin to notice people treating them with more kindness and respect. Whether you see it as a spiritual practice or simply a way to focus your intentions, the miracle leaf ritual is a gentle reminder that positive energy begins from within. Always approach rituals with a calm mind and a good heart. Avoid using any spiritual practice to harm others or manipulate situations. The best results come when your intention is pure and focused on attracting good things into your life. If you decide to try this ritual, do it with patience and faith. Sometimes positive changes happen gradually, and the most important thing is maintaining a positive outlook on life. Miracle leaf is a simple plant, yet many people around the world respect it for its natural and symbolic power. It reminds us that even the simplest things in nature can inspire hope, healing, and positivity. And when you combine nature, intention, and positive thinking, you create an environment where love and favor can naturally grow in your life.